Brooksaw Antiques here. Today we have this 1968 Olivetti Lettera 31 vintage portable typewriter made in Italy. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. Up top are the margins. I'm going to set this left margin around 0 and the right one around 75. That's about the length of a page. And this is the paper bail that sits on top. It's got 2 adjustable rollers. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit this line space, gets you back to the beginning, and skips 1, 2, or 3. Right now we have it on single, but if you want double, you just flip the switch down. It skips 2, 1 more, it skips 3. That works good. We're going to keep that on single for now and finish typing. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip or stick. I'll type a sentence on the next line. Absolutely beautiful typing machine, one of the best typewriters ever made, and it's in excellent condition. So compared to other typewriters, this basically will make you stop using any other typewriter. If you have an older typewriter that you love and you get this, you're gonna just throw that thing away. To pull the page out easy, there's a switch on the right side here. You flip it forward and it unlocks the rollers underneath the platen, allowing you to pull the page out easy. Or load thicker paper like carbon copy or cardstock. Make sure you flip that back before you load the next page, or else it won't load correctly. So it's basically the same exact typewriter as an Olivetti 32, which is named as one of the best of all time, if not the best. A lot of people say it is the best. The only difference is it has this shell is made out of hard plastic on this one, and the Olivetti 32 has a metal shell that's either green or blue or greenish blue. And this doesn't have the tab function. So but it's basically the same exact typewriter with all the same parts. You can interchange all the parts and everything, so it's basically the same typewriter. Beautiful typewriter. And you know, compared to the 3K, I would consider this one not as good, but a lot of people like the compactness of this. 3K is much bigger. The Hermes 3K is the one I'm referring to. And a fun fact is I sold somebody one of these, this exact model, and an old Remington portable, and they ended up returning the Remington portable. So what I'm trying to say is, if you're looking for the best typewriter of all time and you don't want to waste time, you do have, if you want a collection, fine, but this is what you need and you can use it for the rest of your life and never have any problems. Got a backspace on the right side, a shift on each side, and a shift lock on the left. Clear that, just hit the shift button again. This blank key here is the margin release, so you get to the end of the margin, hit that button, it'll allow you to get past it. When you get to the end of the margin, it just blocks you from printing. Hit that button, it'll allow you to get, that's the margin release. And you have a color selector. Right now, we have a solid black ribbon, so we don't really need to use the color selector, but if you had a black and red, the red would be on bottom. You flip this to the red dot and then press the bottom portion of the ribbon. The vibrator just goes up a bit higher. When you have it in the middle, it doesn't print any ink at all. When you have it on top, it just prints the top portion of the ribbon, and you can double use that ribbon since it's solid black. All the brand new ribbon is loaded on the left, so it's pulling to the right. If you want to switch that direction, behind either spool is a ribbon guide, and you just move it to the opposite direction. So in this case, you move the right to the right, it'll pull to the left counterclockwise, or if you just move the left to the left, it'll pull right clockwise, and that's the direction we want it to go. Carriage lock on the inside here. If you lift it down, it'll lock the carriage in the middle. If you lift it up, it'll unlock it. Carriage release only on the right side on this model. And on the line space indicator, if you push it all the way back to 0, it'll disable the spacing so you can get to an exact spot on the page. You push it to the 1, you get the clicks. Each one of those clicks is a half space, and you can use the line space. But if you have it on 0, you can't use the line space. It doesn't work. So there you go. That's it. Now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.